Bert Irvin would stick a bottle into the side of that wall, then they'd pat fresh snow in it, and they'd keep their feet marks square with the road. And I see 'em planted all along, then they'd come to these light poles, and they'd toss the gallon jugs that they'd toss 'em out in the snow, and they'd light in the snow, and there'd be no tracks going out to it. And they'd go on to town. When they went into town, I see they went in town. I come down out of the tree and come up the road up to that end, and I picked out their booze there, and then I went down below and where they'd throw it over in next to the light poles. The light poles only come to our place then. And the cabin used to be across here. And I picked all their booze up. I seen them later at the dance. And him and Bert Irvin, they was standing there and they was bobbing their heads up and down. I had their booze.